Good day everyone, so this is Master Shi at meron tayong bagong tutorial today. This one is tips and tricks only using your Google Meet and your presentation using your PowerPoint. Kasi most of the teachers are always presenting their presentation using their Google Meet, and that's why they are using the Dualless extension in dividing their windows. Actually, Dualless is not that functionable to some because pwede mo namang gamitin or i-divide yung iyong windows without Dualless. Okay? So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano and paano mag-present na nakikita nyo pa rin yung mga students niyo sa Google Meet niyo. Okay? So, I will not be using any extension here. So, ituturo lang yung strategy on how to divide your windows without using Dualless extension. Okay? So, actually, if you have your browser here on top, meron naman siyang minimize and then the maximize button on top. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng Dualless extension here. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang maximize para lumaki, and then pwede rin natin siyang i-minimize. And then you just put your mouse pointer dun sa left side to divide your windows like this. Ayan. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng Dualless extension. Okay? So, you can manipulate your browser without using any extension like this. Now, if you are using a presentation for your lesson and that you need to present your presentation to your students, ang problem here is that when you present your work to your students and magsa-slideshow ka na, the problem is you cannot see anymore your browser, diba? Okay, so how would you know kung may mga students ka pang nakikinig o baka na-disconnect ka na? So, wala kang idea, nagsasalita ka nang wala kang kausap. Okay? So, ganito lang po ang strategy na makakapag-present ka pa din without extension. Okay? So, you just minimize your presentation like this. Yan. Okay, so that you can move it. And then, you just resize it also. Kung anong ginawa natin a while ago sa browser. Ayan. So, you just present like this. Okay? So, you can still see your Google Meet and your presentation at the same time without using Dualless extension. Now, the problem here is that when you present the slideshow, it will automatically present and occupies the whole window, okay, or the whole screen of your laptop or computer. So, this is the technique, okay? So, pwede pa rin po kayo mag-present ng slideshow without using the whole screen. At nakikita nyo pa din kung anong ginagawa ng mga students ninyo. Okay? So, all you have to do is go to slideshow and then look for setup slideshow. Okay? And then you just select browse by an individual window. Okay? So, you set it as browse by an individual window and then just click OK. Now, if you're going to present your presentation to your students in your Google Meet, all you have to do is just click the slideshow here below, and automatic it will present in the window kung ano yung size lang na binigay ninyo for your PowerPoint software. Okay? So, you just click arrow down or yung button dito sa baba. Okay? To go to your next slide. Okay? So, you can still present at nakikita ninyo pa din yung inyong mga lessons while presenting it to your students. So, even if gumagamit kayo ng presentation, still makikita mo pa rin yung mga students ninyo sa screen at nakikita ninyo kung madi-disconnect kayo or hindi. Kasi, maliit lang yung inoccupy ninyong space for your presentation. Okay? So, this is the tips and tricks that I can share to you. I hope you've learned something new. Hope you've learned and subscribed in my channel. See you on the next video.